Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame right now. As you can see, sideways, and that is to be expected due to it being weekend action. I'm gonna point out a quick few things for you guys. Right now, if you can look. All right, so Bitcoin CME closed at 16,530. Okay, we're at 16,650, so $100, not a big deal. Futures premium, let's just say that. Ethereum closed at 1,200, and Ethereum right now is basically at that same price. So only Bitcoin is about $100 on average higher than where it should be from the CME close on Friday. On this, okay, so that's the one thing I wanted to point out. Um, Yesterday we were looking for a close above the previous low of like 16.7 and we didn't really get it. It kind of looks like a doji. So this is actually a lower high and it's a third lower high. So technically this doji can be the first sign of weakness for further downside to come. I hope not, but it is very possible, so you should be aware of that. Also, we're making little triangle consolidation, so whichever way of the triangle we break, either up or down, might get one test to see if it's a true breakdown or not, and then it will do the continuation. So be careful. Last thing on this chart I can say is that's the daily, and the volume is going to zero basically. So if we get anyone to either buy or sell right now, it's gonna probably make a big splash. And yeah, I don't think the FTX contagion is fully subsided. So if anyone else starts reporting, yeah, we're also going down, it might be giving you downside pressure. If everything gets situated with FTX and everyone else is okay, then we can start looking for upside. But that's basically what's going on because that 700 plus million dollars that people thought he stole, it was actually seized by the Bahamas government. So we'll see how that works out for them. All right, well, let's go to a 4 hour, see if we can see anything clear. On a 4 hour, it's basically looking like an inverse head and shoulder. You got low, low, higher low, even higher low. So the price is getting squeezed to the upside, in my opinion, because it's been trying to go down and it's getting harder and harder for sellers to push it down. And we're basically coming right up to the line of, hey, if we break up now, then you're basically going to hurt the shorts. So, I mean, a poke up to just like 17K or 17,100 will hurt a lot of people. I mean, if we go even further than that to like, say, 17,800, almost all the shorts are going to feel the pain. And then if we want to roll over, then market maker can make money twice. So just keep that in mind right now. It is getting very tight for some upside right now. All right, let's go look at Ethereum. All right, here's Ethereum. And on the daily, it's doing exactly what Bitcoin is doing. Volume is basically going to nil. We are basically slowly consolidating in a tight triangle. But higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So right now, what we need to do is get open and close above 1230. Then we can look to go quickly to the next level at 1300 and 1320, etc. It's gonna go sideways and up is what I'm hoping for, but that can only occur after open and closes 4 hour at least above 1230. What else can I say? I mean, right now, this is just going sideways and CME close like this. It's not great that it's consolidating under the support either. So kind of like it can't break up and it's just trying to roll over. Only thing holding this up right now is the people over here. Once these people get broken, that's when we can see how low we really want to go because we haven't really tested this as much as we did on Bitcoin, previous low. On Bitcoin, we tapped it multiple times here. We're already under it completely. That was the low right there. That's 17. 17.6, and we're completely consolidating under it. So this is a warning. Like if we don't break up and like actually get up, even if we get up here and reject and roll over, it's more than likely giving you, you know, a warning that hey, downside is possible because it's just a continuation consolidation like this. Drop, consolidates, makes it think like you're gonna go up, but then rolls over. Kind of like what's going on over here. So be careful. Back to ETH and all the EMAs are actually pushing us off too. So it's like we got to claim the first EMA and then we can test into the 21. Let's go to the 4 hour. Volume is basically empty. So any one person can make something happen with a little bit of money with full volume like this. So just be very, very cautious. If some fast moves start occurring, don't panic. Understand that someone is taking advantage of the low volume environment. I mean, all we're doing is consolidating a nice little wedge. And then the wedge, like basically full. So either we break up right here and start opening and closing above 1220, 1230, or we're gonna reject here in the next 4 hour candle, and then the next 4 hour candle is gonna actually start flushing us down to test this wick. Because Bitcoin lost its low, Ethereum did not. And that's literally what's next step for Ethereum. So be very, very cautious of that. Downside is very, very possible. This is what we're looking at right now. It's a simple fib. Losing 1200 with a 4 hour open and close, you should have a warning that you got downside coming. You get about another level of support around 1130, but after that, you know, you're gonna go test the low again and then probably lower. So keep that in mind, your levels, and then I will actually show you the Bitcoin level. I mean, if this thing wants to come down here and then break up here and reject again, I would be more confident of downside. But if this wants to go up, find some support, and then go back up again and try to do some consolidation stuff, that also is possible. Just don't know which way we want to break because I there's no volume. No one's really putting money into action. Everyone is just sitting and waiting. So I wouldn't jump into anything prematurely. And I will show you what we were on Bitcoin yesterday, taking along as close to 16.5 as possible. And we were trying to ride it up. I mean, yeah, you can take some profit right here, you can take profit up here, but main thing is we want to see this not break down, act as support, get up here to 21 as support, then we could start stair stepping up. Okay, until we can have a 4 hour open and close above 1230, or sorry, this is going, um a close above 16,750, uh, it's gonna be like a lower chance of breaking out. We want to see that open and close above there, above 16,750, and then we can look for the next level of resistance near the 55 EMA being more of a realistic target. So just be patient for all this to occur. Don't need to rush into anything unless you're already in a position. Keep that in mind. And that is basically it for Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave it in the comments section below. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. Last but not least, if you are interested in trading with us live, please feel free to join us on our Discord server. The link of the Discord server is in the description of this video below. And aside from that, if you would like to join our membership services, It is also in that Discord server, so please feel free to inquire about that there. It's $20 a month, and we basically go over trade setups. So aside from that, guys, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Be safe. Today's the chill day. Tomorrow is gonna be where you actually have to do some work. So don't go crazy today, and make sure you keep some bullets to fight the good fight tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe. Talk to you soon.